Hey code warriors, welcome back to CodeMaster Quest. Today we have a new challenge ahead of us, a problem about linked lists and how we can find the middle node of a linked list. So let's get our coding wheel engaged and find the question description in LeetCode. Here is the problem statement. Given the head of a single linked list, we should return the middle node of the linked list. And if there are two middle nodes, we should return the second middle node. Let's look at the examples for this question. If we got an input like this, a sequence of nodes, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, we should return the middle node, which is 3, and then we have the sequence of 3, 4, and 5. And if we got an input like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the middle node would be 4, and the sequence of the nodes would be 4, 5, and 6. Now let's come back to the Visual Studio Code and try to solve this question. At the beginning, we need to define our function signature. For this purpose, let me come back to the browser and find the function signature here. Copy the function signature, come back to the Visual Studio Code and paste it here. And since we are using this list node, I need to make this line uncomment, right? There we go. Make this line comment as well. And let's extract this function from the solution class for the simplicity, right? Okay, and to solve this question, I want to define a helper function to find the length of the linked list, right? So let's say find get length head from type of list node. It's going to be optional. And at the end, since we are going to find the length of the linked list, let's return integer. Okay. To store the length of linked list, let me define a variable here, count, and set it equal to 0 at the beginning. And now I want to make a while loop, and while head is not equal to nil, I want to say head equal head.next and increase the count by 1, right? And at the end, we need to return count. But since head is an input for this function, I want to store it inside the variable. There we go. We have the getLength function. Okay, now to solve the question itself, let's come back to the middle node function and find the length of linked list using our helper function. Let length equal to getLength for head. And we can check the edge cases at the beginning. Let's check whether length is equal to 0 or 1. And if this is the case, we can return the head itself as the middle node. Otherwise, we can find the middle node. Let's store the head inside the variable for the same reason. And then let's make a for loop for I in range 0 to length divided by 2 and say head equal to head dot next, right? And at the end, let's return the head. And since we are not using this index, let's use underscore here. Okay, now to make sure that our solution is working correctly, let's copy our solution, come back to the Visual Studio, actually to the LeetCode, and paste it here. Okay, and hit the submit button. There we go. This is the solution to this question. Thank you, everyone.